Did you know that the introduction of typewriter transformed not just writing but the whole society? Before its invention, secretarial work was a male-dominated field. With the rise of the typewriter, however, women were suddenly seen as better suited for the job. Why? Because many young women at the time learned piano, and the keyboard skills they had translated seamlessly to the typewriter. The result was that the secretarial profession became feminized, giving rise to a new structure of power relations between men and women. Technology doesn't just change tools, it reshapes society in ways that stick around for generations. Let's explore technology together.